Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Best Woodworking. A wood chopper, drum cutter and homemade chipper are essential tools for processing wood. The wood chopper is perfect for splitting logs into firewood, while the drum cutter efficiently shapes wood into smaller manageable pieces. A homemade chipper shreds branches and debris into mulch, ideal for gardening. Together, these tools simplify wood handling, turning large logs and branches into usable material for various home and outdoor projects. The Samokvalov system wood splitter operates efficiently with a hydraulic mechanism. It uses a wedge driven by hydraulic pressure to split logs into manageable pieces. The log is placed on the splitter's platform, where a hydraulic ram pushes it against the wedge, applying force evenly to ensure a clean split. With an adjustable splitting speed and safety features, it provides consistent performance. This system is suitable for both hardwoods and softwoods, making it a versatile tool for firewood processing, reducing manual labor and increasing productivity. This wood splitter is a standard machine designed for safe and efficient operation. The operator works at a slow, controlled pace, minimizing the risk of injury from the blade. Among the various options, rack and pinion, crank, spring, and hydraulic, this one stands out as the best I've encountered. Its design ensures reliable splitting while maintaining user safety. The machine's smooth operation and sturdy build make it an ideal choice for those seeking both durability and peace of mind during woodcutting tasks. The homemade firewood cutter operates with a spiral circular cutting blade that effortlessly slices through logs. As the blade spins, it grips and splits the wood with precision, making each cut clean and satisfying. Its unique spiral design not only enhances the cutting efficiency but also ensures a smooth, consistent process. Users can feed the wood into the machine and watch as the spiral blade works its magic. This simple yet effective mechanism transforms firewood preparation into a quick and enjoyable task. Homemade sawmill aserradero first cut. Begin by securing the log on the mill bed, ensuring it's level and stable. Next, align the saw blade with the log's surface to establish a straight cut. Slowly engage the saw, moving it along the log with steady pressure. A mechanical spring wood splitter is a powerful tool for splitting firewood efficiently. It uses a heavy-duty spring mechanism to create force, driving a wedge through logs with ease. Simply place the wood on the splitter, engage the spring, and watch as it splits the wood cleanly. Ideal for those needing a quick, consistent way to prepare firewood. Fuel processing, using the wood chunker. Here we've got slabs from the sawmill. Most are too large to fit into the wood chunker, so we cut them into firewood lengths and split them with an axe. If they split easily, they go into the pile for the wood chunker. If they're more stubborn, they go into the pile for the house wood stove. Most of the wood stacked up here should go through the chunker. We also have some logs on the ground that we split once with the axe. If they prove too troublesome, they get set aside for house heating. Here's a look at the wood pile before we start. The chunker really shows its power, sending pieces a good distance. Homemade rack wood splitter, review and testing. The motor is a 1.5 kilowatts 1500 RPM unit with a chain transmission for power. Testing wasn't perfect. The knife bent when splitting, so I plan to replace it with a thicker, softer metal. Overall, the splitter works well for a 1.5 kilowatts motor on a single-phase network. It weighs around 5 to 10 kilograms and is easily portable. I might add another 10 kilogram flywheel and tighten the spring to improve performance. Thanks for watching. More tests to come in summer. The classic rocker action now incorporates a conveyor belt for enhanced efficiency. It offers a cutting diameter of up to 24 centimeters and accommodates log lengths of 120 centimeters or 200 centimeters. The 70 centimeter saw blade ensures precise cuts. Equipped with a ball-bearing safety rocker and a convenient release mechanism, it allows for adjustable log lengths in 1 centimeter increments, 24 to 52 centimeters. The conveyor belt features a manually adjustable inclination of 20 to 40 degrees and a push height of 170 to 290 centimeters. Drive options include tractor PTO with aluminum right-angle gears and V-belt or an electric motor. The PS1300 Pallet Shredder, your ultimate solution for efficiently processing pallets, wood waste, and more. Designed with user convenience in mind, this shredder is incredibly easy to operate, making waste management a hassle-free task. The PS1300 is engineered to minimize dust and noise emissions, ensuring a cleaner and quieter work environment. With a range of screen size options available, you can customize the shredder to meet your specific needs, whether for finer or coarser material processing. It also features advanced ferrous separation technology to help you easily extract metal contaminants. Additionally, the PS1300 is built for minimal maintenance, allowing you to focus on productivity rather than equipment upkeep. Enhance your waste processing operations with the reliability and efficiency of the PS1300 pallet shredder.